There are 4 ways to create a resume in Rezi. Here's a quick look at each one. Starting from scratch, click Create New Resume. Give it a name. A simple format like your name and target job title works well. And select your experience level. If you already have a specific role in mind, use Target Your Resume. Add the job title, company, and job description, and Rezi's AI tools will give you more relevant suggestions as you build. Already have a resume? You can import it directly. Select Import your existing resume, upload your PDF or docx file, and Rezi will generate a draft in seconds. Once it's in, review each section before moving on. Formatting differences between documents can affect how some details transfer across. If you want to build a resume from your LinkedIn profile, open the extension while on your LinkedIn page and let Rezi pull your experience across automatically. Prefer a more guided approach? Select Use AI Resume Agent to build your resume through a conversation. You can ask it to write sections, strengthen bullet points, or generate a summary, and see the changes appear in your resume in real time. Pick whichever fits where you're starting from. That's how you create a resume in Rezi.